Sally, what is that? It's a bird scooter, huh?
Yes.
So, are you trying to activate it? Like, you have to pay money. They're gonna work. Oh, well, anyway. Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to an episode of .com Lifestyle Vlog. Right now we are here in downtown Riverside. Riverside, that's right, Riverside, for the Festival of Lights. So behind me, it's a hotel, the Mission Inn, and what they did was they basically, what did they decide? They took the hotel and they installed.
They decided to waste a lot of electricity.
Yeah, they installed 5 million lights. So, you know, I'm sure they're burning a lot of electricity and they don't have any solar power. And I'm sure the carbon footprint is right now the same size as a small village, but hey, it looks nice. Let's go check it out. Okay, Sal, let's go.
No,
which way are we going?
the app is still downloading.
What app are you downloading? The Bird app?
Yes.
Oh, you want to ride this thing, so you download the Bird app?
Yeah.
Come on, this thing must work. I mean, how's this thing standing up? Oh, you can't do it. Okay, you got kickstand. So what is it? $1 to start. Ride anywhere. Unlock the app at birdapp.com.
That's not a bad deal.
Yeah, $1 to start. They're probably charging you like $1 a minute after the first dollar to start. So forget the Bird app.
No.
Let's go see the lights. Let's go see the lights instead. Come on.
Connected to the Wi-Fi. I have to stay here.
Well, now I know where she's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Did you connect to the Wi-Fi?
Yeah, that's how I'm downloading.
All right, well,
Mom's calling.
we're supposed to see lights, not you know, not trying to connect to the bird.
Yeah, but it has lights on the bottom of the scooter.
Yeah, scooter bird. Joining Sally for a little adventure is her best friend Sabrina, and her other best friend Catherine. So Catherine, what's your shit? Anything boys can do, girls can do better. In front of me is the Mission Inn. Doesn't look like 5 million lights, but I guess it is. Is that cotton candy? That's why they're selling cotton candy? It's cake. It's cakes and cookies. This is the lineup for the Cinderella ride. And it continues over the other way. We're not going no Cinderella ride. There's a Cinderella ride. No wonder the lineup is so long. There's only 3 Cinderellas and one crammed up Cinderella. Oh, here's a few more. There you go. Oh, actually, my mistake. It's a whole bunch coming down. I wonder if this turns into a pumpkin after midnight. I know my wife wants to ride it, but I don't feel like waiting this long. They're asking how long the wait is. You want to go to where?
The coffee bean place.
You want to go to Coffee Bean? So you want Wi-Fi?
Download the app.
I've never seen Riverside this busy. Sally is intent on downloading the app to ride this thing. She wants to ride the bird. Hey, ring the bell, ring the bell. There's a bell. No, I think you like go down on it. Yeah.
I haven't used a bell in forever.
We decided to wait inside the Coffee Bean. Yeah, while downloading the app. And wife is lining up for that Cinderella ride.
That's super.
I imagine by the time we get on that ride, it's going to turn into a pumpkin. And we're not going to ride it that way. No. You're playing tic-tac-toe. Oh,
I want to play.
this is for the tic-tac-toe championship of the world.
Oh my god. It's 'cause
What?
tic-tac-toe-
Sally lost?
no, tic-tac-toe
How could you lose? It's
is
tic-tac-toe.
really unfair.
This lens is really funny, Sally, because it's so wide. When I go like this, it makes my hand look huge. Huge. Look at my hand. We're huge. Oh my God. Compared to the rest of my head, look at that. My finger. Huge. What are you doing? Yeah, so I got my hand crossed in front of me. I mean, look how huge my hand is compared to, yeah, Y angle. And look at Sally's face on the edges. Look how the edge, that's hilarious. Look, no, don't move. Look how big her head is compared to my head.
Oh my god, my hand.
Yeah, Y angle lens. Yeah, it's kind of cool that it gets everything in the background, but it's also creates funny distortions. Funny distortion, I'll call it that. I did bring this 50 millimeter lens with me for a low light situation, but because it's 50 mil and this is a crop factor 1.6, basically it's an 85 mil. So if I put this on, I have to stand like 20 feet away for you to look like this. So
No.
didn't plan it very well.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks better here. No, don't put it back. Oh man. All right, you're gonna put it back, do a proper job. Put it right here. There you go. Now we're in a festive mood. You can feel the vibe. You solved it yet?
No, this is really
Yeah, because this star is bad. It's not like my cube where it's like a super duper, you know. Oh, you got one layer. That's very good.
I did it.
She did it. Yay, good.
Totally.
Oh my God, this cube is it's much bigger than normal too.
It hurts your hand. It definitely.
Oh my God, this is hard to turn as well.
This is a great idea.
It's so.
You're not gonna be breaking any record trying to solve this cube. That's for sure. Finally. Sally finally downloaded the app. We're gonna go and ride that thing.
Yeah, we're doing a Cinderella thing first.
It's no longer there, is it? Oh no, somebody took it. Somebody wrote it.
Find one.
You need to find another one.
Fine.
It's gone. Somebody beat you to it, Sally.
Oh no.
Okay, there's a bunch in this area.
Oh really? That's so cool. This is like a rent-a-scooter kind of thing, eh?
It says there's one here, but there's nothing here.
Oh, look around. We'll find one. While we're waiting for the Cinderella ride, I figure we'll just go. Let's go explore the lights. Yeah. There's a Ferris wheel down there. Let's walk through. Oh, we can't walk in there? Oh, I see. This is a lineup to walk in there.
Oh my god.
Jeez. Yeah. Okay, not doing that. We'll just walk along the outside. When this place is not lit up in Christmas lights, it's the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa. Yeah, this lighting is wreaking havoc on the auto white balance in the camera. Selfie time.
Not all of us can keep up with
Wow, look at it back. Look at that. That's a good view. You know, I should do a time lapse from here, Sally. I should do a time lapse. There it is. There's a bird. Okay, activate it, Sally.
It's broken.
Is the bird's broken? No, no, activate it. Here, come on. Scan this thing.
That's not yours. You cannot use it. Do you use it?
Scan it. Turn on the flashlight. You have to. There you go.
It's not working.
It's not working. Why isn't it working?
Told you this was broken.
Someone broke the bird.
It vibrated. Does that mean I can ride it now?
Can you use it now?
What? Oh, it did.
That's a break.
Did I?
This is the gas. Yeah, you gotta figure out. You gotta start this bird somehow. Oh, okay. Give it a bird a ride.
No, oh, you need to pay.
Of course, that's $1 to get started.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Go pay.
Yeah.
Dad, you need to enter your credit card.
Okay, we'll enter that right now. Hold on. Oh well, it didn't work. Sally, how about this? Sally, instead of the bird, look at this thing. Electric scooter. Look at this. Right here. Sally, check it out. Cool, ride and electric assist.
You have to download an app.
Oh, you got another app to download? What in the world? But this looks even more fun. Look at that. Wow. Look, it has a lock and everything. What? What? It's not working? It's... Oh, gee, it's not working. Too bad, you know, could be all... They could have made some good money today. Okay, well...
Today's a big day of disappointment.
Yeah, big day disappointment. Apparently, my wife gave up on lining up to ride the Cinderella. So we are just going home right now, and yeah, forget about that ride. We're not going on, right? So anyway, if you want to experience the disappointment of lining up for hours and not getting anywhere, yeah, then come on down to the Mission Inn Festival of Lights here in Riverside and wouldn't be totally disappointed. At least there's something to see, but yeah.
You can't even get into the place where the lights are unless you want to wait for like 5 hours.
Yeah, but okay, we're gonna go home and well, you know, not a bad night. At least we got something to do, you know, something different, and I got a vlog out of it. So yay! Give us a thumbs up, like and share our video. Follow her on Instagram, randomgirlsc, and follow me too. Yeah. See you guys next time.